Okay, so this is a simple thing. A lot of guys, we've seen it wrong a lot of times. This Fieldpiece meter has this little function right here for checking phase. So it's line 1, line 2, line 1, line 3. So the way that this works is pretty simple. Like in our unit here, we see line 1 should be black. On this compressor, line 2 should be blue. Line 3 is yellow. So line 1 is black, blue, yellow, right? And so you see like we're color coded all the way through here, back to our disconnect, where black, blue, yellow. So 1, 2, 3, okay? So we have the disconnect off right now, but it's pretty easy. So like what a lot of guys do is they start the unit and just see if it sounds bad. I'm serious, that's what, and some of these some nicer units will have things in them that keep them from turning on. It's like a phase checker, but this is a phase checker without running it like that. So what you're gonna do, and you know, like you could say this is an advertisement for this meter, because I think Fieldpiece this is like a nicer Fieldpiece meter. I think this one's like 300 something bucks, and their cheaper ones don't do this. And I don't know, I mean, you could, where's your meter? Get back right here. Watch your meter do this. Nah, see, I mean, if it has some function, it's hidden, but yeah. This is a very simple function, so yeah, watch. So we take our black one, see that says line 1, and this one says line 2, line 3. So it's pretty simple. We go to our thing, right? And so we go line 1, black, wait, we gotta go up here. Line 1, black, line 2. So, and then it tells you line 3, it wants you to check. And so that tells us the order that we're in. Now, let's pretend that we had them wired backwards. We're gonna restart, and we'll do it out of phase. So we go here, and we'll go to our backwards phasing, and then and see, that tells us that we're backwards. So if you get this on your meter, you just switch any 2 wires, and then you're in phase. And that's a whole nother explanation, but then you would switch it, and we'll just show it one more time. So now that we know we're in phase, so we are gonna turn this on, and then I'll show you here. So black, blue, yellow. So black, blue, line 1, 2, yellow. 1, 2, 3. So that tells us we're in phase. And once again, black, blue, yellow. And then we don't have to do any of the ghetto startup tricks where you're like, is it spinning backwards? Because I mean, let's be honest, like there's gonna be one every once in a while that you miss. You think it's running in phase and it's actually running out of phase. And then a compressor dies 6 months later and you don't know why, or you have a callback because it's not cooling. We've had that happen to us, I think, once before. And I mean, I didn't even know for a long time that I had this function on here. So it's smart if you're doing a lot of 3-phase to have at least to send this meter out, or make sure that your lead guys have a meter that can do something like this, rather than just relying on little tricks to see if it's running properly. So we will link an Amazon link to our, I don't know how the pricing is on Amazon versus elsewhere, but usually you can get pretty good pricing on stuff like this on Amazon. So, and yeah, I think this one, I think I paid like 330 bucks for it. Should be 300 something dollars. So I don't know if any meters other than the Fieldpiece meter do this, but if people know of other things and other meters do it, leave a comment. Maybe there's a really cheap meter I don't know about that has this function. But we like Fieldpiece because, at least on the meter side, I like Fieldpiece a lot. I like the only thing, I wish Fieldpiece, their cheaper meter has a better magnet. This has a little strap magnet. So this is how it holds itself up. And it's just not very strong. Like if it starts to fall, it can fall pretty easily. Their cheaper meter has a big circular magnet here that sticks anywhere. And it's a lot better in that regard. But this is a better meter if you're doing more commercial work. Yeah, we've caught a lot of stuff from other companies that's out of phase like a year or 2 later. And I know in our locale, it's a little bit like you can get away with that kind of shit more easily. In some states or cities, you're probably not going to see that. But yeah, we catch stuff that's out of phase from other companies all the time.